Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox the SanDisk iXpand flash drive Go 256GB. So as you can see, this is made for iPhone and iPad. If you are using the older versions of iPhone or iPad, which comes with the Lightning port, you can use this flash drive to back up your data. So mostly it is meant for photos, videos, and you can use the USB section port of the other end on your computer to see the files and do manage them. So this is generally made for if you are having less space on your phone, or just for backing up your photos and videos, as instead of relying upon any kind of cloud service. So let me take a look at the back side. So here you will find instructions about how you can use it. I'm reading out the English version right now. So 3 is the step. So here you can plug in your iXpand flash drive Go into your iPhone. Second, download the iXpand drive app. At the prompt, copy photos and videos to the iXpand flash drive Go. So as you can see, the first picture here, this is meant for automatically backup your camera roll, social media, photos and videos. The second one is for high-speed USB 3.0 transfer to and fro from your computer. The C is for swivel design to protect connectors, as you have both Lightning and USB connector. The last D ring is the key ring hold to take your drive on the go. As a key ring to go, because here there is a loop, cut it as indicated by the dotted line. So let me and let me try to open it. Okay, this is very nicely packed, I guess. So you can remove the tin foil, and it just pops out. So let me check. So it is quite sturdy. As you can see, it is not easily going to the left or right direction, so I think it is quite stable as a keyring, and take some time to connect, and it's also not wobbly, so it can withstand all the swivels. So here you can see, you can keep it like this, and you can connect it on the two ends, and because there is a certain kind of swivel design, and there are bumps which generally make it to easily not touch the ground of where you are placing it. So overall I like it. So in the next video I will show you how it is working out. Thank you.